to Sri Nansagar Coaching Classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we take the next examples of the problem set 2 of the chapter 2nd Pythagoras theorem of the mathematics part. Now the next question number 11 is, in triangle ABC, look at this ABC, angle A is 90 degree. BL and CM are the medians of triangle ABC. Then prove that 4BL square plus CM square is equals to 5BC square. 4 into bracket. Okay. Now here I have write it is given. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is equals to 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM are medians. This is the given. Then to prove is 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 into BC square. Now I have to find out its proof. Student, first I have taken in triangle ABC, so that in triangle ABC angle A is equals to how much? 90 degree. This is the given. So that by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is that this is angle A. So this opposite side is the hypotenuse. Means that BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. Look here, BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. Let this is equation number our first. Now student, here is medians are also given, so I have to use this point also. Now if segment BL and segment CM are medians of triangle ABC. This is given here. So that by using this we write here AL is equals to how much? Half of AC and AM is equals to half of AB. Therefore AL is equals to CL is equals to half of AC, equation number second, and third one is AM is equals to BM is equals to half of AB. This is equation number 3 because they are median. Then look carefully in these two proof BL square and plus CM square. So first I have to find out the value of BL square separately and CM square also separately. Now for this, if you take the triangle BAL, then in triangle BAL, angle A is equals to how much? 90 degree. This is given. Then by using again Pythagoras theorem, therefore by using Pythagoras theorem, this theorem is that BL square is equals to BA or AB square plus AL square. Then this triangle we take here, triangle ACM. So that in triangle ACM, angle A is equals to also 90 degree. This is given. Now then by using Pythagoras theorem, now hypotenuse is CM, means that CM square is equals to AM square plus AC square. Suppose that this is the equation number 4 and this is equation number 5. Then we adding equation 4th and 5th. Then adding equation 4 and therefore is directly right here we get BL square plus CM square is equals to AB square plus AL square plus AM square plus AC square. Then look here, we substitute the value of AL is half of AC and AM is half of AB from equation second and third. Therefore, BL square plus CM square is equals to AB square plus value of AL is half of AC. So, half of AC bracket square plus value of AM is half of AB. Half of AB bracket square plus AC square. Then, the squaring of this bracket is equals to AB square plus 1 upon 4 AC square plus 1 upon 4 AB square plus AC square. This is the value of BL square plus CM square. Student, we want to remove this denominator 4. So multiply both sides by 4. Multiplying both sides by 4 we get. Now then we directly write here 4BL square plus 4CM square is equals to 4AB square plus this 4 and the 4 get cancelled in that AC square. This 4 and 4 also get cancelled in that AB square, and here is also plus 4AC square. When we multiply it by 4, we get that this equation. Then observe carefully, this is 4AB square and this is AB square. Addition is 5AB square and this AC square plus 4AC square, 5AC square. Then we write here, therefore 4 in bracket BL square plus 4 in CM square is equals to 5AB square plus 5AC square. Student, we take common, here is 4 and here is 5. Then we get therefore 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 in bracket AB square plus AC square. Now, AB square plus AC square is BC square. By using the equation number, first we substitute the value of the equation first is AB square plus AC square as BC square. Into this equation we get that 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 into how much? BC square. Reason is that from equation first. Now observe carefully, to prove is that 4 into BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 into BC square, and hence it is proved. Can you understand this? Thank you very much. Okay, we take the next question. Let's see the next question. Question number 12. Sum of the squares of adjacent sides of parallelogram is 130 square centimeter and length of one of its diagonal is 14 centimeter. Find the length of other diagonal. Solution. Student, for this we have to find out, we have to draw one quadrilateral which is parallelogram. Suppose that this is the parallelogram ABCD. This is the diagonal AC and BD which intersect at point O. All of you know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Now here is AC is given 14 centimeter and sum of the squares of the adjacent sides of parallelogram. You have to take any sides. I have to take here AB and DC. Now so that quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Here is AC is equals to 14 centimeter. Then we take here AB square plus BC square is equals to 130 that AO is equals to OC is equals to half of 14 is equals to 7 centimeter. Now here, this is the bisect each other, mean that O is the midpoint of the segment AC also and segment BD, mean that segment BO is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, segment BO is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, by using Apollonius theorem, now this theorem is that AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square is equals to twice of its median square plus any one of these part, mean that twice of AO square. Substitute this value AB square plus BC square is directly given here 130, so I have to substitute here 130 is equals to twice BO square as it is plus twice into AO is how much? 7 square. Then 130 is equals to 2 BO square plus 2 into 49. The product of these two is how much? 130 is equals to twice BO square plus this is 98. Then transfer this 98 to this side, we get that 130 minus 98 is equals to twice BO square. The subtraction between these two is 32 is equals to twice BO square. 2 goes to denominator, in that 32 upon 2 is equals to BO square. The division is 16 is equals to BO square. Taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. We get 4 is equals to BO. Mean that BO is equals to 4 when it is centimeter. Now student, we have to find out the length of the other diagonal in that BD. Now we know that these diagonals are bisect each other at point O. Means that therefore BO is equals to half of BD, because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, substitute the value of BO is 4 here, mean that 4 is equals to 1 upon 2 BD. 4 goes to numerator, 4 into 2 is equals to BD. Therefore, 8 is equals to BD. Therefore, BD is equals to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. Therefore, the length of other diagonal is 8 centimeter. Can you understand this? Okay, thank you. Let's study the next question, question number 30. In triangle ABC, segment AD is perpendicular on BC. DB is equals to, look here, DB is equals to 3CD. Prove that twice AB square is equals to twice AC square plus BC square. Then here is given. In triangle ABC, segment AD is perpendicular on segment BC. Also, DB is equals to 3CD. This is the given. Then to prove is twice AB square is equals to twice AC square plus BC square. Okay, we have to prove here. Here this is the perpendicular, so we take first this triangle and this triangle also. So it's proved. In triangle ADB, angle D is equals to how much? is given perpendicular, means that this is 90 degree. So that by using Pythagoras theorem, therefore by using Pythagoras theorem. Now Pythagoras theorem means AB square. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay, then substitute the value of BD. BD means DB. Here we get that AB square is equals to AD square plus this DB is 3CD square, because here I have write BD is equals to 3CD. Then square of this one is AB square is equals to AD square plus this square is 9CD square. Now student, when you observe here, in this to prove, there is the coefficient of AB square is 2. So I have to multiply both sides by 2. So here I write the sentence, multiply both sides by 2, we get. Can you understand why I have to multiply here? Because we want to show here twice AB square. So multiply it by 2. Therefore this value becomes twice AB square is equals to, this is twice CD square plus 9 to the 18 CD square. Suppose that this is our equation number first. This is our equation number first. Then take another triangle. In triangle ADC, angle D is equals to how much? 90 degree. This is also given. So by using Pythagoras theorem, therefore by using Pythagoras theorem, this theorem is that hypotenuse is AC here. AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Now again observe carefully, here is also the coefficient of AC square is 2. So I have to again multiply both sides by 2. Here multiplying both sides by 2 we get. I have directly multiplied twice AC square is equals to twice CD square plus twice CD square. Suppose that this is equation number 2. Then student, here is given is that in this given dB is equals to 3CD. We use this part also. So by using this figure, first I have to find out BC is equals to, BC is equals to CD plus dB. CD plus dB. This is C dash D dash B. The value of dB is thrice CD. Again I have to put here. Therefore BC is equals to CD plus thrice CD, because dB is equals to thrice CD. Then addition of these two is how much? 4 CD. Student, here is BC square. So I have to squaring both sides. Squaring both sides we get. Square of it is BC square is equals to 16 into CD square. Suppose that this is equation number 3. Then we add equation second and third. We get that. Equation second and third adding, we get this value. So I have to adding equation second and equation third. Equation second is twice into AC square plus equation third is BC square is equals to twice into AC square is twice CD square plus twice CD square plus this value becomes 16 CD square. Then the addition of these two is 18. So again I will write twice AC square plus BC square is equals to twice CD square plus 18 CD square. Observe carefully, The equation number first, twice CD square plus 18CD square is equals to twice AB square. So I have to substitute again this value. Therefore, twice AC square plus BC square is equals to how much? AB twice AB square. Reason is that from equation first, and observe carefully, in this to prove twice AB square is equals to twice AC square plus BC square. So I have to write the last sentence in that, that is twice AB square is equals to twice AC square plus BC square, and hence it is true. Can you understand this? Very important example. Then we take next question. Let's see the question number 14. In an isosceles triangle, length of the congruent side is 13 cm, its base is 10 cm. Find the distance between the vertex opposite to the base and the centroid. Now, here is solution. First we draw the one isosceles triangle. Suppose that this is an isosceles triangle A, B, C. Now, here is length of each side is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. The base is 10 centimeter. Base is 10 centimeter. The distance between the vertex and the opposite to the base we have to find. Suppose that this is perpendicular here, AM, and vertex opposite to the base and the centroid, means that you have to find. Suppose that this is the centroid of that triangle ABC. We have to find out the distance between the vertex opposite to the base and the centroid, means that you have to find out the value of AG. This is the centroid AG. Okay, here G is the centroid and the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Now here triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Here AB is equals to AC is equals to 13 centimeter. Then BC is equals to 10 centimeter. Segment AM is perpendicular on segment BC. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Then we have to find out these values here. For first finding out this value, we show that these two triangles, mean the triangle AMB and AMC are congruent. Then by using which test? Now look carefully. In triangle AMB and triangle AMC. Now here is AB is congruent with AC. Segment AB is congruent with segment AC, because this is sides of isosceles triangle. So I have to write here the reason is given. Then here is AM is perpendicular to the BC, so that angle AM is right angle. So right here angle AMB is congruent with angle AMC because each 90 degree. Then third one is, look at this segment AM is the common here. So I have to write here segment AM is congruent with segment AM because common side. Then these two triangles are congruent. By using which test? Look carefully. This is the right angle. This is opposite side, means that hypotenuse, and one side means that therefore these two triangles AMB is congruent with triangle AMC by hypotenuse side test or theorem. By using hypotenuse side test or theorem. Can you understand this? Okay, then their corresponding sides are also congruent, so that therefore we take here segment BM is congruent with segment MC. MC. Therefore, BM is equals to MC. Means that segment AM. Therefore, segment AM is median of triangle ABC. Then BM is equals to, therefore BM is equals to MC is equals to half of BC. Means that BM is equals to MC is equals to half of how much? 10. Means that 5 centimeter. Means that BM is also 5 centimeter and this MC is also 5 centimeter. We take any one triangle and we have to find out the value of AM. Therefore, in triangle AMB, angle M is equals to how much? 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, this theorem is that the hypotenuse square is equals to sum of these two remaining side square. Means that AB square is equals to AM square plus BM square. Substitute the value here. AB is 13. Means that 13 square is equals to AM we have to find out here. AM square plus BM is equal to MC is equal to 5. Means that 5 square. Square of this 13 is 169 is equals to AM square plus 25. Transpose here. 169 minus 25 is equals to how much? AM square. The subtraction of these two is 144 is equals to AM square. Here taking square root of both sides. Okay. The square root of this is 12 is equals to how much? AM. Means that AM is equals to 12. Unit is how much? Centimeter. AM is equals to how much? 12 centimeter. Now, here is segment AM is the median. Therefore, G is here centroid. Here, segment AM is median. Therefore, point G is centroid of triangle ABC. Then we know that the centroid property. Therefore, by using centroid property of triangle, you have to study this property in 9th standard. Therefore, this is the centroid. Means that value of AG is equals to. Therefore, AG is equals to 2 upon 3. Means that this is the 2 part of this 3 part of segment AM. Means that its median means A. Substitute here. Therefore, AG is equals to 2 upon 3 into value of AM is how much? 12. Then simplify. 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is. Means that AG is equals to 2 into 4 becomes how much? 8 centimeter. Then the answer in full sentence is that therefore the distance between the vertex of opposite the base and the centroid is how much? 8 centimeter. Answer is equals to. Therefore AG is equals to 8